It's one of the hottest personal massagers on the market, guaranteed to get rid of that shoulder, that neck pain, and that tension at a crazy price. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite, and at the age of 33, I have neck, shoulder pain, not just from carrying around a new infant. Actually, infants don't weigh anything. That didn't make sense. But I'm moving a lot of boxes and these stroller attachments and things that I'm all trying to use. And my wife says my massages are the worst thing ever. So I have found a solution, which has been on the market for a little bit, just saw an update, and is now at its lowest recorded price. You may have seen it, but not the way I'm about to show it to you. Let's get right to my favorite neck and shoulder massager. Because this Shiatsu back massager, neck and shoulder massage, gives you that deep kneading, that same level of therapy you'd expect from a massage therapist or a chiropractor or a physical therapist, gives you the simulation that I'm telling you feels exactly like real hands. You get 8 bidirectional rotation knots that work to relieve all of the stress that we keep in our back and our shoulders. And one of the great things about this, you can actually position this down to your neck, your back, your waist, or your thighs, even the calves of your feet. It's something that you can move and use on demand. While there are different variations of this on the market, after testing 5 different models, I will conclude the kneading and pressure tied to this unit was just better. It kept going longer, it was hard without being too forceful, and it ticked all of the right boxes for both myself, my wife, and various other family members that had a chance to test this. It's small enough to fit into a carry-on. It's something that you could take with you to the office. They even use it if you're not driving in a car. Great for a passenger, someone in the back seat. Great for all those times where we get up from our desk and you stretch and you do this with your shoulders, and perhaps you want a nap of some kind. This just, for me, keeps me feeling a little bit more productive and alert, and I love the price. Now, if you want to take advantage of this deal, I found a link, and I'm not sure how long this price will be around, but if you do want it, expand the video description box, and there you will have a chance to use it. I will tell you, it feels good while you're using it, but the effects after you've used it are actually quite remarkable. I didn't realize how much tension I had until I turned it on, and for some of us, it's just a great way to get through the week and put a little bit more spring into your step, even though it's summer. What?
Just keep going.
I'm going to keep going now. All right. If you want the deals to keep going, if you want more savings, there is a very easy way to keep it all happening. Click on my head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. That last deal that I had, which wasn't awkward and was delivered with just so much professionalism, click here.